Open the box. You will find the installation accessories and one piece is alarm receiver, one sensor, and one solar panel. At first, we can turn on the sensor. Press the on/off button 4 times. Okay. The indicate light will be red. And then we power on the alarm receiver. Pay attention on the indicator light. We can activate the sensor when the indicator light be off. Okay, it's okay now. Then we can check the we can walk through or use hands wave in front of the sensor eye. This is, and then this is the charge jack, and we can connect solar panel to the sensor.